a video, guess that sound. So the first sound is, guess what it is. If you guess bubblegum, you guys were right. So the next sound, guess what it is. If you guessed plastic cups, you were right. So the third sound, guess what it is. If you guessed a phone, you were correct. So you guys are on a roll. The next sound, do you know what the sound is? It's a plastic bag. Good job, guys. You guys are doing good. Last sound. Can you guess what the last sound is, guys? It's cardboard. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys got all of these, you guys